Okay, so today let us learn how to make popcorns at home, and I think this is very important these days because people are at home, they are watching movies online on Netflix, and they need something along with those movies. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to add. And by the way, I'm making sweet and salty. You want sweet and salty, right?
No, I want sweet.
We'll add a bit of salt, but
Only one piece
okay.
of salt.
So the first thing that we need to do is we need to add some oil, not really too much oil, but normal vegetable oil, and you can also add butter. And we'll not really add too much butter, but I think it is always good. It will give you it will give the popcorns some nice taste, and sugar, because we are making sweet and salty popcorn. So one more.
Fine.
3, 4, 5. And in the beginning, I think the flame should not be too high because we don't really want to caramelize the sugar. So just try to heat it up. It will take maybe a few more minutes. It is extremely simple to make popcorn actually at home, and they are fresh and they are very tasty. And if you are watching movies online on Netflix and Amazon, you need something. Do you like popcorns?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to wait for maybe just 1 more minute. Okay, I think I can now add some salt. Not really too much. Make sure the sugar is completely dissolved. Okay. I'll just increase the gas a bit. This sugar looks yellow in the video, but it is not yellow. It is white. I think this is now fine. Now what we have to do, we have to add this corn, and I think this is enough. It is not really a lot, and we can mix it. And when you start seeing maybe 1 or 2 corns popping, then you can cover it. And that is really it, to be honest. Ooh. Okay. Just give it some time. It is taking some time, but we'll wait. Okay, let us wait for at least 1 or 2 corns to pop, then we'll cover it. Okay, so now you can see they started popping. Now we can cover it. Ooh. And now you can maybe lower the gas slightly, so you can see the sound, this sound and this wonderful smell. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited for this? Very nice. And once the popping sound stops, I think it will take maybe a minute or two, then they're ready to eat. Of course, with your favorite movie. Are you excited for this?
Yes.
Okay, let's wait for maybe one more minute. Do you think they are done? Let us check. Okay, I think the sound stopped coming. Let us open it and check. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wonderful. Now I think once they are done, you can then maybe just shake them a bit. Okay. And these wonderful popcorns, they are now ready. And they are done actually, and they are not bad. So I hope you learned something new today. Bye.